Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Are you a new agent or an agent who likes to grow? Well, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to get my latest, newest video weekly. In this video, I'm going to go over 3 things I do to stay organized with all my transactions. Hello, I'm Ben, your agent with Aguilar Realty Group, brokered by EXP Realty of California. I serve Los Angeles, Orange, and Riverside County. I am a buyer and seller's agent. This week, I had a big realization. Currently, I am helping one of my clients sell her home and buy a home. I'm grateful to have a team leader who helps me and also have a transaction coordinator. It's a must. But I realize how also important it is for me to not just rely on them. So here are 3 things I do. Number 1, I use a website called Trello. In Trello, I created a board with the transaction address. In this board, I put each step the buyer or seller needs to take to close escrow. Even though it's the same client, I made sure that I have 2 separate boards. Visually, it helps me to stay on track. Plus, I can put the due date on there too as well. Number 2, in zip forms, print out transaction checklist. This checklist has every single document you need to know in order to service your listing before the sale, service your listing during the escrow period, and lastly, after the escrow has closed, there are documents for you to file. Number 3, most important set is to keep in communication with all parties in the transaction. With regards to a transaction coordinator, make sure you lean on that person to upload your documents. If you hired a transaction coordinator for full service, still make sure you're aware of all documents being done as well. Well, I hope and pray that this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I'll reply back to you. Also, if you have a referral for me, please hit my digital business card, which is in my description down below, and go ahead and press refer a friend. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great day. Yah bless you.